Sometimes, when you're listening to music or watching movies with a headset, you may want to increase the bass or treble, or something like that. So, from the equalizer, if you want, you can change those things. In this video, we'll be talking about how to set the headphone equalizer on your Android phone. For this, first, what you need to do is connect your headset to your phone. For example, I'm connecting a headset, and the thing is, sometimes you can access these settings only if the headset is connected. Anyways, after that, open Settings, and here above you can see the Search Settings option. Click on Search Settings and search for Equalizer. And according to the brand, there will be some changes. I'm using a Poco branded phone. So, it's better to search for these settings. When you search, you can see the Equalizer option, and select that. When you select it, here you can see the Equalizer option. In my case, I can see this option only when the headset is connected. Anyways, click on that, and here you can see so many things. If you know about these things, you can change them and set them according to your need, or if you don't know, here you can see Custom. A preset is there, and if you want to change it, you can. There are so many options like dance, metal, country, electronic, and many others. You can set this according to your need. For example, I'm selecting rock. After that, you can go back and listen to music with this equalizer. So, this way, you can easily adjust the headphone equalizer on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.